Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video covers a very important aspect of IELTS preparation, which is self-study. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all a simple yet effective IELTS self-study plan which will help you all in your IELTS preparation. So, let's start today's video. So, why is an IELTS study plan important? Making or following a study schedule can seem like a lot of work, but using a study plan will actually save your time during your IELTS preparation. Organizing your studies with a schedule will help you to keep your IELTS preparation on track and ensures you won't have to cram for anything in the end. Plus, using a study plan can help you to pinpoint where your strengths and weaknesses are, which will show you where you need to improve. So, how to make an IELTS study plan? Firstly, set a goal. The first step is to set a goal for yourself. The goal should be based on the minimum requirements of your dream schools. Check the admission websites of those schools and find out their requirements on the overall IELTS score and on different paths. Second, find out your weaknesses. Before making the exact plan, you can do a full-length practice test to check your level. Then you can find out your strengths and weaknesses in different parts. For example, some students are better at reading and writing, while some have better skills in listening and speaking. Even within the same section, you will do better on some types of questions. Next, plan daily and weekly practice. This is the most complex step in making an IELTS study plan because an effective study plan should meet your personal needs. Here are some useful tips. First of all, you need to find your spare time. If you are busy with your studies or work, you can study for the IELTS 1 or 2 hours each work day. Weekends are probably the best time for you to prepare for the test. Then, you need to consider how much time you have before your test. A study plan for 3 months is different from a study plan for 1 month. If your time is limited, you need to focus more on your weaknesses rather than every part of the test. For example, if you are already a good listener and reader, you can practice speaking and writing each day and then do full-length practice tests on weekend. Here is a sample study plan. On Mondays, you can study 30 minutes listening practice, 30 minutes practice speaking questions, and 60 minutes read writing task 1 samples and write. On Tuesdays, you can practice 30 minutes reading practice, 30 minutes practice speaking questions, 60 minutes read writing task 2 samples and write, and 30 minutes listening practice. On Wednesdays, you can do 30 minutes practice speaking topics, 60 minutes modify writing, and 30 minutes reading practice. On Thursdays, you can do 30 minutes practice speaking topics, 60 minutes read writing task 1 samples and write, and 30 minutes review new words in listening and reading. On Fridays, you can do 30 minutes practice speaking discussions, 60 minutes read writing task 2 samples and write, and 2 or 45 minutes do a full-length test. On Saturdays, you can do 15 minutes checking answers, 60 minutes modifying writings, and 2 or 45 minutes doing a full-length test. And on Sundays, you can do 15 minutes checking answers and 30 minutes review your notes for the whole week. So friends, this was a sample study plan which can help you to keep your IELTS preparation on track. You can follow this plan which can help you achieve your desired score in the IELTS examination. Hope you found this information helpful. If yes, then please like this video and do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information and tips on IELTS examination. So, keep practicing.